We don't check down on our own self to give them opportunity to kick our ass. Send that shit in. Make them sign for it. Okay, so those of you who are crafty, okay, are up with me. The rest of y'all be like, I can't pay. I don't. Come on. It ain't about paying. It's about forcing their ass to come to the table to get the money and bring what they're supposed to have. Okay, so how's that help me, Coach? Well, if it comes down to a situation and the judge didn't sign the offer to pay letter, the clerk didn't sign the offer to pay letter, you sent a copy over to the sheriff department, you made all their asses sign. Okay, so now the bank's pissed and they want to foreclose on you. Well, just whip out your offer to pay letter. Whip out your offer to pay letter. Okay, I already sent this over to the judge. I sent it to the sheriff department. I sent it to everybody's ass. So if y'all want to foreclose on me, bring that shit on. But it'd be a whole lot easier just to get the letter that I'm asking for and come to the table with the letter and give me my letter, and then I'll just give you the check. Because I got the check. I got the money. I got the money just like y'all had the money. There was never no money. All right? But you know what? We ain't got to have that argument. Offer to pay letter. How's that going to go? Your judgeship. Your judgeship. I got to work on that. No. Judge, you got a copy of the offer to pay letter. The statute there says that they're supposed to provide the original instrument of indebtedness if they're calling in the full amount. If they don't, they can come back next week after I pay them now. They come back next week and do the same shit again and do the same shit again the next week. So, and by the way, my legal team told me your ship, your honorship, your what the hell is your name? Mr. Shit, George, Mr. I'm going to jail today, right? No. Okay, so my legal team told me that I need to ask you to make them follow the property transfer statute and deliver my deed to my house. Okay, it's supposed to be delivered, but that's not what they did. They did what they call their constructive delivery, and they registered my deed in their office. And constructive delivery, judge, my legal team told me it means that they just forgot about all of that part of what, the private property stuff or whatever, and they registered, and then that allowed them, that allowed reclassification, which allowed them to not only put the start charging me taxes and stuff. Okay, but the biggest thing was the registration of the property, according to my legal team. The registration of the property allowed the first illegal lien to be placed on the property. And I was like, okay, how's that? Guys, you guys are killing me right now. And they told me, your ship, your honorship, your judgeship, they told me, the first illegal lien was the mortgage lien. And the reason it was illegal, think of it this way. If there were several people who own property, all of those people had to be present to sign the lien, right? So the fact that the alleged lender accepted your signature proves that you own that property already, and my legal team said that they smell stink. And so they wanted me to ask you to force them to follow the statute that you're supposed to be upholding and they're supposed to be following and delivering my deed to. They just like go get it right now and bring it to me, and I'll save them. I'll save them a trip of driving all the way across town. So can you do that for me, Judge? I would appreciate it if you could order them to go get my stuff, because my legal team said that once you've been put on notice and you don't act, then, well, they told me not to mention that. Oh, and then so you get your affidavit of state citizenship that you can file in the case. You can do that before you get your card. We also provide the banker secret manual, the banker secret fear. It's PDF. The banker secret manual is fear. And remember, when you're reviewing that, keep in mind how to move some of this stuff over to the non-conventional side. The banker's secret, they really talk a bunch of crap on the bank, and we ain't trying to bother the bank over here because those people don't have a very long life who bother the bank. Okay, so we just want to stay focused on what we're doing with the other little stuff. You don't need to take on, you need the smaller and the simpler you keep it, the better chance you have of making them go sit down. And then we got inventory notice to recuse the judge in case that's the situation. We got another PDF that I thought was real interesting that I wanted to include, and that was how to cancel bank loans and stuff. So this stuff, like I said, this package is what coaches have been using to start their own coaching business.